Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. With the Labor Day holiday this weekend, I was thinking about a dessert that would be light and really delicious just to have around the house for my hardworking farming husband and my oldest son, who this is his favorite. I'm gonna do a little twist on the crust though. I have put through my food processor a whole box of vanilla wafers, 11 ounce, okay, and crumbed them. I'm gonna use that as my crust. So I'm gonna add to that a 1/4 stick of melted butter. I'm also gonna add to that about a 1/3 cup of sugar. And I'm gonna eyeball that. I'm gonna give this a stir. And I'm gonna put this into a 350-degree oven. And I'm gonna let the bottom bake, just the crust part bake, just about 8 minutes. And then I'll take it back out, put the filling in, and then return it to the oven and finish cooking it, okay? This would be good with lemon or lime, either one. I have had this North Carolina made pottery pie pan since I got married and have really enjoyed it. I'm going to use that today, so it'll be really pretty presentation. This would be good with any citrus fruit, I think, fruit juice. Lemon, lime, even orange would be good. I'm going to press that down with my clean hands. This would also be good if you wanted to do like individuals in a muffin tin. Be a good recipe for that. I'm going to spread this out as far as it will go. And I'm going to pop that into my preheated 350-degree oven and set it for 8 minutes. Now, while I'm doing that, I'm going to mix up the inside part. And I will show you guys that. Okay. Inside part, we want to do 2 eggs. Oh, Lord have mercy. I just grabbed that into the wrong bowl. Let's get that out of there into the right bowl. Okay, give my hands a little wash here. If I had real limes, I would add zest from a lime, but I don't have any. So I'm just gonna go with the juice. So 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of lime juice. Let's see. Oh, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, which I forgot to get out. Let me grab that. Lord, I hope I have one. Oh, there's one. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. This is the keeping it real side of this cooking vlog. Okay, let's get all of that in here. So 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of lime juice, concentrate, 1 sweetened condensed milk. Let's give that a stir. Have laid out a small 8-ounce whip out of my freezer using some topping. That's up to you. You can make your own if you're ready. Okay. Now my filling is ready. And as soon as that comes out of the oven, I will pour this filling in there and then return it to the oven and bake it for 15 minutes on 350. So I will post a picture, just a really good little summer, end of summer recipe for you to have around the house for your holiday weekend. I'll see y'all. Take care. Give this one a try. It's a keeper.